If there's one thing I know, it's the importance of suspension and quality parts when it comes to touring on motorcycles. Hey y'all, I'm Adam Sandoval, world record long distance motorcyclist. You may know me from my Scoot in America campaign where I rode to every Harley Davidson dealership in America in a single run, or maybe my latest thing, the Great American Convoy, where riders come together with me and we go day after day raising money for the Wounded Warrior Project. This last convoy was nearly 10,000 miles in less than 30 days. And I was able to try Kraus's new KR8 front end. And this thing's legit, completely new machine, triple trees, inverted front suspension, set up for floating brakes, and it's valved and tuned specifically for touring. This is why they let me take it on the Convoy and give it a trial run before bringing it to the market, available for all of you. Now, after riding from as far up as New York on the East Coast and through Glacier National Park and Beartooth Pass and Chief Joseph Highway and so many other amazing roads, I really got to put the suspension to the test. Day after day, long miles, I pushed this stuff hard. A fully loaded bike with some decent performance modifications, and the front end held up great. Completely different than a high performance front end, this KR8 was the perfect touring setup if you want the best of the best. I personally am a firm believer in Kraus and the products they put to market. In fact, I even did my own handlebar and riser line with them that are designed around having adjustability for comfort, because as we all know, on these long rides, comfort is absolutely everything. And that's exactly what I found after riding this front end.